Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. Guys, today we are talking about Utonzo Zandile. So Utonzo Zandile has recently launched her new salon. Guys, it's really beautiful. It's up class nje, up market sana. She was hosting interviews. People were just coming, doing hairstyles, doing nails, and then she would choose from there. So she created a business page, obviously, for the salon. Igama layo Prideful Beauty. And she posted this hairstyle. So this she asked Uguti, would you pay 1,000 rands for this? Curls included, with our hairpiece and hair wash on us as well. And people were grilling her in the comment section. They were just like, "Hi, Sana, 1,000 rand for a straight back. That's so unreasonable. That's very expensive. You won't get any customers, you won't get any support. People can just go and do straight backs at 250. So it's going to be a loss on your side." You know, people were just saying Guti, she needs to um I don't know, she needs to charge less nyana because the target market is young people, the target market is students. Her salon is located in Pretoria. So people are saying, Guti, you are also targeting students from about TUT, UP maybe as well. So you need to lower your prices. You need to consider your target market to go to. These people don't have money. They know you from social media and they would like to support you. But if it's too expensive, then they won't be able. And then she also responded to saying, guys, the location, first of all, that location is very expensive. She is paying a rent about 15K plus monthly. There's water, there's electricity, and also she has to pay her staff. So that is why she is charging the prices that she is charging, you know, because she also needs to put that into consideration. So nje, people are just not budging. People are just saying, "Good, sissy, no." Just because you are a content creator doesn't mean that we are willing to pay so much money just for doing a straight back 1,000. It's like manje, like phela imali ye-rent yomunye umuntu leyo 1,000 is a very high price to pay. So Ugel was just like, no, guys, you need to consider. Now I need to gain in all of this. I have people that are working for me, and I didn't know that she's paying 15K plus rent. Hi, guys, no. I feel like, but I don't know. I don't know. But nje 15K for a salon, it's a lot of money, guys. And the salon, you know how salons are like. Hey, I don't know, but nje, please leave a comment in the comment section down below, guys. Here is the price list. Nje, plain set is 350, guys. Plain set without any decorations. 350 nje. Here are the prices. Plain pedicure and manicure is 500 rand. Plain. So please support our girl Utsonso. I personally know that I'm not the target market, Sisana. I am not the target market, but I love what she is doing. I love that she is business minded. These are the prices for my hairstyles. Sisana, not less, it's 1.1, including hairpiece. Yeah, 900 rand. I'm a French curls. So please support those who can afford. But for us, sizogcina ngokuthi wow and just pass. We will just like, support, and share her work. But I don't know why people are complaining. If you are not the target market, just like and pass. Like and pass if you're not the target market. You can't be complaining knowing very well that you can't afford, because she can't do a straight back 150, guys. As she said, her location and her staff, about rent, water, so it's a lot. She also needs to gain from all of this. So this is a picture from e-launch. She was doing a launch yesterday and it was so nice. She looked so happy and she looked so beautiful. Love the dress. And again, congratulations to her. And also, we like that she created job opportunities, guys, and hired people. So thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you on my next one. Bye.